Let us go with the problem number 11. Fine. Here, you see what is happening. The question is very simple one. Find the square numbers lying between 75 and 225. See, let us check out here. Right. So, you know 1 square. So, 1 square is 1, right. 2 square. Similarly, 8 square is 64. Right. 9 square, let us check out with this now. 9 square is 81, right. So, 81 is in between 75 and 25. 75 and 225 we need to find out, right. So, first number is 81. So, the next is 100, 10 square. 10 square is 100, that is 100. 10 square is 100. This is nothing but 9 square. This is 10 square. Now, let me go with 11 square. 11 square is 121, right. Right. Then 12 square. 12 square is nothing but 12 into 12, that is 144. Next is 13 square. 13 square is 169. Next is 14 square. 14 square is 14 into 14. That is 196, and 15 square is 225. But the question what they asked, find the square numbers lying between 75 and 225. Only you have to choose these numbers, that is 81, 100, 121, right, 144, 169 and as well as 196. This is the answer for it. Hope you understand.